This deen is full of strangers. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ, he said that this religion started as something strange and it will return as something strange. So if you're worried about them finding you strange, once you start practicing Islam properly, they have to find you strange. If you don't feel strange in this life today, especially today, if you feel that you're not a stranger in this life, you need to seriously ask yourself a question. Are you even practicing Islam? As we know, practicing Islam comes with consequences. We look at the Sahaba, we look at the Prophet ﷺ, we look at how they established this religion. None of them had red carpets, none of them had this 5-star packaging or whatever it may be. All of these things that we're seeing with these new imams or whatever you want to call them, this is not something the Sahaba would do. This is a laughing matter. This is a serious circus happening right now, and it needs to change. And these people should not be taken as people of knowledge or anything. This is a very, 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 it's hideous. It's embarrassing that people are following individuals that claim to have knowledge, but they're speaking like a thug or a drug dealer or someone who's a part of a gang, and he wears a bandana, whether it's blue or red or green or whatever it is. This is serious, like, defect. This needs to be addressed. People need to, you're a Muslim, you speak like a Muslim. You do not speak like a thug. You know, the local drug dealer, you sound like his brother or his cousin. This is something serious. If you hear anyone speaking like a local drug dealer, or he's familiar with these terminologies of the local drug dealers or local thugs of our time, then you seriously need to ask yourself, you want to be a better Muslim. How are you going to become a better Muslim by having this individual as your role model? It's impossible. It is impossible. You're going to become an identical mirror to him, and you're going to sound like the cousin of the drug dealer. That's what's going to happen.